So, kakalipat ko lang dito sa bagong apartment. Sa likod ng bahay namin, basically. And, let's look around, shall we? So, okay. Yan, makakalat ni Mama. And then, bali, ito yung parang living area ko. And, oh, look, it's Jesus! Ewan ko kung ba't ko nilagay yun siya. Pero, si Mama naglagay niya. And, vinyls and shit. Tas over here, ayun, computer ko. Just nice kasi abot yung internet dito. And, that's the the media center. Parang, kasi pwede kong gamitin yung speaker dun sa vinyl player, sa turntable, then sa TV, then dito sa computer. Woo! The death cab. And then, ito yung kama ko, magulo. So, whatever. And, masyadong madilim yung CR. Pero, mamaya. And then, my books, of course. Yay, they're so pretty. I mean, kahit hindi yan arranged. I mean, yeah, meron kang Copeland dito, tapos Copeland dito, tapos Kerouac. Yung Kerouac medyo ayos eh, kasi nagkakasama yun eh. Pero yung iba, kasi random talaga. Yung Polanic, ayos yan. Tapos, ayan, and shit, and, tapos, dito yung DVDs, and then yung CDs. Medyo matagal na yung mga yan. Hindi na rin ako bibiling CD. And then yung cassettes, and then, pero may, wait.
As in the tradition of funerals, you always want to say good things about the person who died. And so, people that know would kind of get up and they would make these kind of backhanded compliments to kind of, like, well, one thing about so-and-so is he was stubborn and he didn't take no for an answer, but that's just the way he was. Well, that's not a good thing.
Okay.
I just wrote the lyrics, on the
Oh
way
shit,
home.
still not on.
Because
Wait
I was
lang.
wondering, would it be better in a situation like that to have a sense of closure that involved really letting everybody know what had happened with this person, what this person had done to their family?
Yan, bukas na. Anyway, look at this ER. Yay, meron akong TV sa loob. And, I don't know what that is. But I have a TV inside. And it's fun. And, yeah. So, basically, yun. Dito na ako. Puntahan niyo ako. Mga pala. Then, gumawa tayo ng kung ano-ano dito. Bye-bye!